First Pakistan India match since May conflict fires up Asia Cup 2025. Arch rivals will take on each other on September 14 in Dubai by AFP September 7, 2025. Cricket fans with their faces painted in the Pakistan's and India's flag colors pose for a picture ahead of the first match between Pakistan and India. Reuters file. Pakistan last faced India in Champions Trophy in February. Arch rivals will clash again in Dubai on September 14. Asia Cup to serve as build-up towards T20 International World Cup in 2026. New Delhi. A blockbuster between Pakistan and India headlines the Asia Cup starting on Tuesday as they face off for the first time in cricket since the military conflict in May. Along with regional bragging rights, the T20 international competition will serve as a build-up towards the T20 International World Cup in February-March in India and Sri Lanka. The eight-team event in the United Arab Emirates begins when Afghanistan play Min-Noz Hong Kong in Abu Dhabi. Arch rivals India and Pakistan clash in Dubai on September 14 with Pakistan bowling great Wasim Akram saying players and fans from both teams should remain disciplined and not cross the line. The neighbors have not met on either side's soil in a bilateral series since 2012 and only play each other in international tournaments on neutral ground as part of a compromise deal. The two Asian cricketing giants have been clubbed together in the same group and could potentially meet three times in the tournament, which concludes on September 28. There have been tensions in the build-up after the two countries fought an intense four-day conflict, their worst since 1999. The hostilities in May left more than 70 people dead in missile, drone, and artillery exchanges before a ceasefire was reached eventually. With lingering bitterness, an Indian team of retired players withdrew from their semi-final with Pakistan in the World Championship of Legends in July-August in England. Led by former international Yuvraj Singh, the Indians also refused to play Pakistan in the group stage of the tournament as clamor grew among fans to boycott the games. Strong favourites. Pakistan and India last met in cricket again in Dubai in February in the 50-over Champions Trophy with India winning by 6 wickets and going on to lift the title. They are also defending Asia Cup champions and led by Surya Kumar Yadav are favourites against their old foes with a 10-3 win record against Pakistan in T20 internationals. Pakistan will be without star players Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan, both dropped from the shortest format because of poor form. India won the previous Asia Cup, which was played in a 50-over format in 2023 when they beat hosts Sri Lanka in the final in Colombo. India are strong favourites to retain their crown. The five full members of the Asian Cricket Council Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka earned automatic qualification to the tournament. They are joined by Hong Kong, Oman and the United Arab Emirates teams that secured their spots by finishing in the top three of the ACC Men's Premier Cup. Group A is made up of India, Pakistan, the hosts UAE and Oman. Group B comprises Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Hong Kong and Sri Lanka. The group stage will be followed by a Super 4 round followed by the final in Dubai. Thank you.